an 8-piece set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pieces, and each one of these is 5 cups. Love it for storage, love it for leftovers, love it for reheating leftovers, love it for eating out of. Sale price $26.98. You see the stars on your screen. That means you love it too. So if you go to QVC.com, you'll see the reviews. Folks are in love with this. Clear. Here is spearmint. Here is the red. They're customer top rated. Final quantity. We've got a couple more on .com. This is slate. Coral. Ooh, fewer than 200. Denim blue. Golden sand, 180. Lilac, ooh, pretty. And then a pear. So the story here is, it's one of your favorite configurations, being a set of 8 of them, all 5 cups. There is no reorder. This is final quantity. And if you go to read the reviews, they'll be raving about it. I'm not going to do this hour alone. Janine Ferrillo is here with me for the brand LocknLock that's been here since 1999. So celebrating 26 years, all about saving food, saving space, saving money, and doing it one-handed. Hi, Janine. Oh, I love this sweater. This is lovely.
Thank you, my friend. Good to see you, Rachel. And Rachel, you just said 14 years, and I was like, wow, time flies, doesn't it?
Doesn't it? Yeah.
14 years
I think
already,
you remember
friend.
me when I was a baby boo.
That's right. Of course I did. You still are. So anyway, this is the perfect set of 8. It really is, because it is going to be for the kitchen, but every single room in the house, really, for everything that you need. It's always nice to have this rectangular shape, and it's my favorite shape without a doubt. It fits in the refrigerator and the freezer beautifully. It fits in your cabinets just right, and so that's why you all love this so much. What's great about this set is, even though they're not nestable with their lid, they do nest down like this.
Right.
You could just put the lids behind them or next to them in your cabinet, either way you want to do it. But
And
this
good
is
point.
nice to save space. And
Yeah.
then every lid
Fits
any lid-
everyone.
Exactly. Yes. So
Save me,
there's
right?
no fussing around.
Exactly. You're not
right.
doing the lid game and all that stuff. So these all nest down into one tower, and then you just grab any lid and they all fit the 5 cups. Let's back up, Janine, if you would kindly,
Sure.
because you have been here for 26 years, 1999.
That's right.
We've sold millions of sets. But if someone doesn't know LocknLock and actually just goes to the grocery store and gets the storage that you might buy in that kind of storage aisle in the grocery store, or you go to the dollar store and you see something, or you even get storage from the restaurant that you went to, why is this kind of the beloved system for so many people?
Because we give you this wonderful food grade silicone seal. You can see it right there. We're airtight, watertight, BPA free. So Rachel, feel safe to heat and then eat right out of your container. We're dishwasher, freezer, and microwave safe. We ask that when you do microwave that you flip the lid. I'll show you on here. So let's say with this wonderful Mexican layer dip that I have in this one, perfect size if you have any left over, if you're just making a small batch of this, because each one of these holds 5 cups. That's a total of 40 cups of storage capacity that you're getting. But anyway, we want you to flip that lid. The reason we tell you to do that is you break that suction from our wonderful seal. And then also this acts like a splatter guard in the microwave, which is really, really nice. And then you could just dig in, scoop with those chips right into this container after you heat it in the microwave. Have no worries.
And speaking of that, I actually had lasagna from last night, Valentine's Day dinner, and just reheated it in the LocknLock. And yeah, it's, you know, not rocket science. You just flip that lid, super easy. The other thing that people like about this is that you can open and close these one-handed if you have dexterity issues. So it's super easy. And I'll repeat again what Janine said, which is it's airtight and watertight. So if I had soup in this, I could close it, I could drop it on the floor, I could put it over my head. It is watertight. It is not going to leak. And also, if you're a boater, boaters love LocknLock. If you take this down to the lake, you're not gonna get sand or water or whatever in it, because it's airtight and watertight. And also super, super easy when it comes to, as I said, opening, when it comes to dexterity issues. And you've got those four latches, which really lets you know that it's super secure. And it's just,
I love that.
You know, again, it's not flimsy. It's not something that's going to get that stain on it from the pasta or the stain from something else that is hard to clean. You just pop them in the dishwasher, and it is dishwasher, refrigerator, freezer, microwave safe. I don't think all those other kind of containers can necessarily say that it's safe in all those places. Oh, by the way, onions in the refrigerator, you won't even smell them. You
I'm
won't smell
looking
them.
at my husband. My
Yep.
husband's right over here. You can't see him, but that's one fella that does not like an onion, and he hates the smell of it.
Yeah.
Whenever it's in the refrigerator, if it's not in a lock and lock, it's not safe. The fridge is not safe any longer because then everything smells of onion, and he hates it. So anyway, I'll never make that mistake. Let me promise you that. So how about when you get your crackers and things like this that come in these resealable packages, but they do not keep anything fresh. They're not airtight. They're not watertight. So here I get them home. I pour them right into the lock and lock, put my lid on. I'm a big chip and dipper. I cannot tell a lie. It's one of my favorite things. So I love my guac. I love my pico. And then I actually like to use it with these rice crackers that I get. And so here I pull this out every time, Rachel. I know they're going to be fresh and delicious. And then leftover tomato pie. I've got 3 layers right here of my leftover.
Yeah.
Now these are smaller pieces, but it doesn't matter with the thickness. You could still get 3 in there with a little bit of wax paper in between if you choose to. And so really you're going to use these, like you mentioned earlier, the leftovers and the meal prep and everything in between.
And I'm showing you that they nest, so they'll just nest right down. Remember, you're getting 8 of them. 8 of them for 26 bucks. Are you kidding me? The easy pay is $5.40, and you don't have to do, you know, kind of lid Tetris. Every single lid fits every single one. Because these are 5 cups a piece, you can do 2 portion sizes in here. So whether you're doing meal prep or if you're doing portion control, you've got the tools to do that. It's customer top rated. Here's clear. This is the spearmint. This is your red. And on .com, we've got slate, coral, denim blue, golden sand, only $170, lilac, and the pear. K90202 is your item number. You know, the way you order here on QVC.com is 1-800-500-7590.